Hello and welcome. My name is Nick Jager and I'm the Consular Chief at the U.S. Embassy in Antananarivo. I wanted to make a short video announcing our Diversity Visa 2026 program and provide you with some important information. What is the Diversity Visa program? Established by the Immigration Act of 1990, the program aims to diversify the immigrant population of the United States. Every year, approximately 55,000 diversity visas are made available to people from countries with historically low rates of immigration to the United States. Countries like Madagascar and the Comoros. The 2026 Diversity Visa Program enrollment opened on October 2nd and will close on November 5th. During this period, people who meet the eligibility requirements can enter for a chance to apply for a U.S. immigrant visa. To qualify, there are two requirements. First, you must be a citizen of a country with historically low rates of immigration to the United States. And if you're a citizen of Madagascar or the Comoros, then congratulations, you have already met this first requirement. Second is that you meet the education requirement. For this, you must either have a high school diploma or equivalent. That's to say, 12 years of formal education. Alternatively, you can meet this requirement by working 2 years within the past 5 years in a field of work that requires at least 2 years of professional training. To see if your field of work qualifies, visit the U.S. Department of Labor's website at onetonline.org. Before applying, visit travel.state.gov/dv for full application instructions and program requirements. But here are our top 3 tips for entering the 2026 Diversity Visa program. First, the only way to enter is to submit your entry at dvprogram.state.gov. Selections will be made in May of 2025, and this site is the only way to check if you are selected. The Department of State will not contact you if you're selected. Second, there is no fee to enter. Beware of those who claim that they can improve your chances if you pay them or offer to complete your application for free. We strongly encourage you to apply for the Diversity Visa Program entry yourself and keep your unique confirmation number. This is the number you'll use to check if you've been selected in May of 2025. In the past, fraudulent visa facilitators have submitted the application on behalf of others, then retained the confirmation number, and then demanded more money or legal activities in exchange for that confirmation number later. Third, only submit 1 entry per person and remember to list your spouse and any unmarried children under the age of 21 in your application, even if they will not be traveling or immigrating with you. And remember, being selected does not guarantee you a visa interview or a visa. In order to issue as many visas as possible, there will be more selectees than there are visas available. It is important to remember that anyone who's filled out the application completely and correctly during the entry period has an equal chance of being selected. We suggest you take your time in filling out your own application at dvprogram.state.gov to ensure accuracy and to avoid scams. For more information about the Diversity Visa Program, please visit travel.state.gov/dv. Thank you. We hope you will apply.